Yeah, this is a message to His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi and his proposed Edo visit. I don't know if he has visited Benin or not. But please, Oga, this is your birthday. I think you should have been celebrating it in Anambra State and nowhere else. Charity begins at where? There is a volatile situation in Edo State, a precarious security situation that's looking like the beginning of what destroyed the Imo State and some parts of Anambra State, your own state. They are trying to curb it. I didn't say you don't have the right to go to Edo State. Who am I to stop you? And there's no one in Nigeria or anywhere else that should tell you not to go to anywhere. But as somebody that studied psychology, you should have known where the temperature is, except you are on purpose trying to inflame an already volatile situation, of which is your pattern. You are a very slimy, sleek human being. I don't think you don't know what you're doing. I believe you know exactly what you're doing. Right now, our people are under attack in Ghana. In Lagos, so many changes have been happening. And all of those things were precipitated by your candidacy in the last election. Your romance with the IPOP ESN criminals and the infiltration of your organization, of which you've been benefiting from them from the days of Mazob. We know how the 2003 election went and what happened with the Mazob, even though you later had issues with them. Right now, our people in Lagos, if they are not seeing it already, then they are in for a bigger trouble than we thought. Do not add Benin to it. If you go online, you see what these your IPOB rabid dogs are doing. Your Nnamdi Kanu, that you have not opened your mouth to condemn his atrocities, started this thing by insulting their Oba and pretending you don't know about this is very disingenuous and so disgusting of you. Please, this governor is barely 1 year in office. He's not even 1 year in office yet. How many months in office? And the situation has turned out this way. A wise man will try to avoid everything possible that will make the situation worse. So if they say they don't want you to go to your state, you arrested there before when it came to campaign funding. True or false? So why is this one being special now? They said they don't want you in the state, then stay in your home. Our people are too much in Edo State and we've been living there. Some people 70 years, 65, 60, 50. As somebody from Mumudura Mandua, I know how our people whose children are now grandparents, but they've not set foot in our place for more than, let's say, 30 days altogether, ever since they were born. They've made their place their homes. They are more Bini than many Bini people, if we must tell ourselves the truth. If you don't retrace your steps, you are going to endanger them. Focus on your state, okay? This is not the time for all this electoral campaigning. The campaign season is not there yet. And there are forces trying to disturb that government. Do not add to it. Do not add to it. At the end of the day, I know you are going to be safe and other people will suffer for it. So please and please, let them be. Go to your state. I'm going to end this video with Iseke. I want you to see Afi Iseke market. And please tell Igbo, especially those that see you as their savior, why you've not said anything about that place or any other place else in the southeast, or Kigwe, also Awi Demiri, Ala, Urumba North and South. You are Ekulobia. What happened there last week after your governor Soludo said the truth about the people responsible for the atrocities in our place. Please leave these people alone before you create a problem that will consume our own people. If you want to hear. If your people want to continue their noise making and bring disaster upon themselves, let them go ahead.
Lekwana anya o wonde bia ni ru akwụkwọ na aju afi iseke o kana azuzikwa lekwana afi iseke ebe a. Lekwanu the great afi iseke ebe a le na ekete ndị mmadụ ọ ga na ebe atala. Da nwere ike bụ ndị na-eche na ọ ga dị mma ka abịa. This is millions of goods inside. Leye Zeke basket industry leye ebe a. Everywhere the shut down. What afia da azu let the whole shop locked up. Len ya sin na window to a si enyu e ko nu school to anyu onye. You know I have afi iseke market. This market that we are looking at like this serves more than 10 towns, including Ebonesie and some other towns outside Anambra like Obolo, Nempi, Amago, and the host of others. Amoma. These are their what do I call it? Auxiliary market. Look at it. 1 fee second number. Oh yeah, the ha. Len ya tin na window you know 1 fee second market. Len ya ndị na-ajụ ma ọ na-azụzikwa. Obodo asla ndị madrile bụ member ha na-eme. Len ahịa ha ncha hala ahịa gbafusie. How can all of them be a member and they run away and leave their town like this? Len 1 etola ife. Una amazikwa ebe dị ife a. Len 1 afi iseke market. Len 1 afi iseke market. Len ya ka unu kirie ye. Ọ ya maka ji na-asị na ọ dị mkpa ka gọvanọ bịa ka ọ fụ ore anyị afụ. Ya ka anyị na-ayọrọ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ SSA. Ọ na-agbakwa mbọ n'ihe a na-eme na security na Anambra State bụ Prince Emeakai. Yọtara anyị gọvanọ. This is your local government too. Ọ ya maka anyị ji na-ayọ ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ n'ọchịchị ndị nwere ike ịgwanwe gọvanọ okwu. Let him come and see the extent of the damage in Iseke. Enwere ọlụ n'Iseke. The first thing is to make sure that the insurgents they are out of here and ebido ọlụ n'Iseke. Aka government ga-adịrịrị ya. The damages are too much for the community to bear. Aka government ga-adịrịrị ya. Ife a abụrụ ife obodo jenu mara ka ndị ọzọ siri mee jenu mee nke unu cry your own cry. Government must be here. Government must be here in reconciliation, in reconstruction, and every other thing. Learn our free second market. Learn Euro road. Kagaba ehala. Nka ba wi ma hia on na fulenia. Yoruba halenia igwe Emosakwe road. Aka wola. Kwamba fa yo ka ajiri bia. Ola atu egwu nke izizi. Lekwa ebe olu kposara l'Iseke. Lekwa olu afọ onye na-edu elekwa olu. Ị ga-afụ n'Iseke dagharị afọ onye isi. Anyị na-eche gị biko.